Oh, hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Sumrak Luna here, and it's another day for another toy unboxing, guys. So, we received a mail call from Ben and Bianca Toy Collectibles. So, please do check out their Facebook page if you want to check some pre-orders for any action figure from 112 scale and 1/6 scale, and from Marvel, DC, and even for G.I. Joes. Alright. So, ito nga guys, may natanggap tayong bagong toy to unbox later on, which is from Queen Studios In Art 112 scale action figure from The Dark Knight Rises na si Catwoman, or also known as Selina Kyle. So, ang actress na gumanap na lang naman nito ay si Anne Hathaway. Napaka-angas, napaka-sexy. So, kung napanood nyo naman ang The Dark Knight Rises, this is a must for any Batman collector. Alright, so, to guys, thank you so much, Ben and Bianca, dito sa 112 scale In Art Catwoman. So, guys, tara, let's check and unbox this action figure. Alright, let's go! Box. So it says here, please record the entire unboxing process for the product in the video. From this video, proof will be needed from any provision of after-sale services. Ayan, may pagganyan pa sila. Alright. Ito yung shipper box niya. Let's go. And there's another box. Smell it. Let's go. And the main box. The box, guys. Ganda. Looks like carbon fiber. The logo itself. Wow. Queen Studio In Art. Yeah. Ish. Nice. Kiss mark by Anne Hathaway. Champion. So it comes with two trays. Yeah. One is for the action figure. This one. And one is for the base. It has its manual. Front, then the inside. For the main figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of hands. So it comes with 5 alternate pairs of hands, closed fist, pair of sign hands, then 2 gripping hands, this one, and 1 open palm. Yan. Sobrang liit lang niya talaga, guys. Sobrang liit. Sobrang maliit talaga. Yan. So be very, very careful, guys. Next, damaged Batman Bale's cowl. Yan. As you can see. And 2 pairs of goggles. This one. And this one. And a pistol. A handgun. It comes as well with unmasked Selena Kyle. Nice. Look at the details. There. And extra pair of extension hairstyle in the bat pad. There. You can alternate it. It's like wavy. Right. Then lastly, before the figure, we have the base. Same as the in-art bat build, The Dark Knight Rises, says here. Very sturdy. Catwoman. And Selena Kyle itself. Oh la la. Fine details. Look at that. So guys, abangan nyo. Magto-toy review tayo. So, dito lang muna. See ya on our toy review. Sumurak Luna out. Peace. Bye-bye. Selena Kyle.